make sure you subscribe up to my channel and give us a big thumbs up. I'm going to be making a lot of videos, so keep watching. I'm 4 years old and I like to paint and color and dance. I like to do all of that. Myself, I just love my mom, I love my daddy. I love everything. But I love my favorite foods are mac and cheese and lollipops. I really, really like to dance. I really like to sing. I wish I could be the perfect daughter, but I come back to the water. No matter how hard I try, every turn I take and tell, I track every path I make, every word leads back to the place I know when I cannot go when I want to. To the line of shining sea, it calls me. I really, really like to be silly. So I'm gonna open my toys on my channel and like everything like that. So today I'm opening a toy. Like I told you, I'm gonna open toys on my channel. And it's a big surprise and I don't know what it is. It's in a blanket so I can't see. My dad's gonna bring it in right now.
It's so heavy.
Oh! Almost broke your table.
What
Freaked
is
out.
this?
Savannah, his mom, picked this out online and thought everyone would love it.
Okay, what is this thing?
So, tell them what you think it is. Bang on it and like, listen.
Okay, let's see what this thing is. Who's in here? It's not talking. It's not a puppy. Ready, guys? We're gonna break this thing off. How do I do this? Oh my goodness! It's a horsey!
There's a bunch of different ones, but look, I think I know which one it is, because you noticed something?
What?
All these boxes don't have something on them, but what does that one have?
Check mark. Now we're gonna open it. Okay.
Open that unicorn up.
Woo-hoo! No, it's a horse.
No, it's a unicorn.
Sure?
Yeah.
I thought I saw a horn on that thing.
Oh, yeah. I see.
Are you kidding me? Got it. Zip that head on. Close it up.
Almost done.
And I think the unicorn's done. Whoa.
Oh my
Okay,
goodness.
We gotta take him outside.
Want to
Oh
take
my
him outside?
goodness. Let's take him outside. Come on, let's go.
Okay, I'm gonna ride my unicorn.
All right, you're going fast. See how fast I think you go.
Go. That is so funny.
Hello, do you want to pet my unicorn?
Oh, I would love to. Is it a boy or a girl?
It's a girl.
Wow. So it just rides like a bicycle? And you just bounce on it?
This is so relaxing. Woohoo! Giddy up!
I think it's a speed demon.